How to add shop in Google Maps. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a new shop. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this contribute button. Tap on contribute. Now, here on the top, you'll be able to see the option called add place. Tap on add place. Now, you must enter the name of the shop and even add the category and address. So enter all the details. In the category section, you must select shopping and specify what type of store it is. We can keep any of the stores available. And here on the bottom, you can see edit map location. Tap on it and you can adjust the location where it is and just spin it down. So after doing everything, here on the bottom, you can see the submit button. Simply tap on submit. So it will create a new shop and others will know that this is a shop that is located in this specific region. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.